Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on Windows 11. First, click Start, then Settings, then Windows Update, click Advanced Options, click Recovery, then Advanced Startup, click Restart to reboot your computer. Next, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then UEFI firmware settings, and click Restart. This takes us into the BIOS. Now we go to the boot menu and find Security Options. Here, select System and Secure Boot. There it is. Now click Enabled like I have here. Yours is probably set differently. You need to set it to Enabled and make sure it's active. There. Now exit the BIOS, save your changes, go to Save and Exit and press Enter. Your PC will now restart with TPM enabled. Thanks for watching. See you next time.